In today's video, I'll show you how to create and export a GIF in Figma using a simple and beginner-friendly workflow. First, open your Figma file and prepare the design you want to animate. You can create multiple frames by duplicating a frame and making small changes in each one, like moving elements, changing text, or adjusting opacity. These frame-by-frame changes will later become your animation. Once your frames are ready, select them in the correct order. Now go to Resources, open Plugins, and search for Lottie files. Install the plugin if you haven't already, then click Run. Inside the Lottie Files plugin, choose the option to create an animation from your selected frames. The plugin will automatically convert your frames into an animation preview. Here you can adjust basic settings like animation speed and loop behavior to make sure everything looks smooth. After you're happy with the preview, look for the Export option. From the Export settings, select GIF as the format. Choose your preferred resolution and quality, then export the file. Once the export is complete, download the GIF to your device. Your animated GIF is now ready to use on websites, social media, presentations, or anywhere you need motion visuals. And that's how you create and export a GIF in Figma using the Lottie Files plugin. Subscribe for more quick and practical Figma tutorials.